Hi friends, I hope that you are doing well. So in this video, let's learn about functional interface in Java. Let's cover some theory part about functional interface. An interface in Java that contains just one abstract method is said to be functional. It's a key idea in Java, especially when using functional programming and Lambda expressions. Okay. So friends, let's to illustrate the idea of a functional interface with a real-world scenario, let's make a straightforward example. Okay, let's see functional interface in practical. Now, friends, let's discuss about example for functional interface. Suppose suppose you are building an e-commerce platform and you want to calculate the total cost of items in a shopping cart. Okay, so you do have a calculator functional interface that defines single method double calculate, which calculate the total cost of items. Okay friends, so first of all, let's create a functional interface with name calculator. Interface calculator. Okay, so here I am defining one abstract method. The name of the method is calculate. Let's add the method parameters, double price and int quantity. Okay, so here we have defined one functional interface with method double. Let's call annotation. Let's give it functional interface annotation at the rate functional interface. Okay, now let's save our code. So friends, what about this annotation? Uh, this annotation helps helps us to avoid accidentally adding multiple abstract methods to the interface. This annotation indicates that this is a functional interface. Okay. Now let's proceed. Let's create one class here with name. Here I do already have one class with name shopping cart. Now create one method in that class with name calculate total cost. Okay, so let's write code for that. Public static double calculate total cost. Let's add the parameters, method parameters. Double price int quantity. Okay, and name of the interface and and the method name calculate. Okay, add the method body. Okay, and let's add return statement. Return calculator dot calculate. Okay, pass the parameters as price and quantity. Here the variable name is small letters in calculator. Calculator. Okay. Now the error has vanished. Now friends, let's go into main method and let's define variable for double data type. Double item price. Double item price is 25.0. Okay, and define one variable of integer data type with name item quantity. Item QUAM quantity. Okay, now friends, let's use lambda expression to calculate the total cost. So initialize double data type with variable. Initialize the result of double. Initialize the data type double with to get a result with variable total cost. Okay, so calculate total cost. Okay, now let's add the method parameter as item price, item quantity, and now let's use lambda expression. Initialize lambda expression for price and quantity to calculate the total cost. Okay, lambda operator price into quantity. So friends, what we have done here we have a method calculate total cost which we already defined here. Okay, which takes the item price quantity and the calculator function as a parameter to calculate the total cost, and later on we calculate the total cost. We are going to calculate the total cost using the lambda expression. Okay, this is our lambda expression. Okay friends, now friends, let's write code to get the output as total cost. Ask the message total cost dollar, total cost in dollar, okay, plus variable total cost. So friends, let's save the code. So let's discuss about this example. So this example demonstrates the use of functional interface in a real-world scenario where we can easily switch between different calculations by passing different lambda expression to the calculate total cost method. Okay, friends. So let's run our code. So friends, our output is total cost is $125. Okay. So friends, this is all about how to create and use functional interface in Java. I do hope that you understand the concept of functional interface very well. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video.